Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow cereal bars. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need your favorite cereal, a bag of marshmallows, and some butter. Make sure you have a large saucepan, a mixing bowl, and a baking pan. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Precision in measuring helps ensure perfect results every time. Now, let's get melting. Place your butter in a large saucepan over low heat. Once it's mostly melted, add your marshmallows. Stir continuously to prevent sticking and burning. Keep the heat low to ensure a smooth, even melt. This step is crucial for the gooey texture we all love, so take your time and stir until everything is perfectly combined and creamy. With your marshmallow mixture ready, it's time to combine. Pour the warm, gooey marshmallow over your cereal in a large mixing bowl. Work quickly to stir everything together until every piece of cereal is coated. Then, transfer the mixture into your prepared baking pan. Use a spatula or your hands, lightly buttered, to press it down firmly and evenly. This creates a compact, delicious bar. Almost there, once your cereal mixture is pressed into the pan, let it cool completely. This can take about 1 to 2 hours at room temperature. Once firm, use a sharp knife to cut the bars into your preferred shapes and sizes. Now, they are ready to serve. These homemade marshmallow cereal bars are a delightful treat for any occasion, simple to make and always a crowd pleaser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.